Hello, hi, welcome to my channel Hours Computer Learning. My name is Tarika Dedipya and present topic is CSS. Click the subscribe button, click the bell icon for interesting topics about CSS.
We're going to see about the CSS fonts, lesson number 14. In this topic we are going to see about CSS style. So this property is mostly used to specify the italics, text and bulk, and in this we are going to see the three values like normal, italic and bulk. So bulk nothing but it is very similar to italic but less supported to all browsers. Now we are going to see in our notepad. Here I am going to change the class attribute values. So id attribute value. First I am going to see about the normal now. So I am going to write the normal, and in the second one we are going to see the italic now. So I am going to write the attribute as the italic, and in the third one we are going to see the oblique. So oblique, and here in the dot selector we are going to select the normal. So we are going to select the normal, and instead of writing the font family we are going to write the font style dot normal. So normal, comma, in the second one we are going to select the italic attribute, and in the family instead of writing the family we are going to write the style, and here instead of writing these all font designs we are going to see italic now. So italic, and in the next p selector from the class attribute bulk, oblique, and adding the declaration font dash style dot bulk oblique. Sorry, I cannot pronounce it. If you have any problem, sorry for that. Control S and refreshing my browser. So now you can see that normal, italic and oblique. So oblique nothing but it is showing very similar to italic but less supported for the browsers. So this is our font styles, and next we are going to see about the set the font size with the pixels. So please do not miss it. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. Signing off, Tarika Dedipya. Bye.
Signing off, Tarika Dedipya. Thank you for watching Hours Computer Learning. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click the bell icon, subscribe button, bell icon.